Starting around 27 July 2023, Nexo explicitly is exchanging at 64 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.46% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. Nexo truly has an especially all-out market cap of $360,423,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,225,826, which especially is genuinely huge. This by and large makes Nexo certainly positioning at 93 in the digital money market. Or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo basically be truly worth in 2023? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Nexo a by and large wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Will Nexo cost essentially outperform its record-breaking high? Which sort of is very huge. These generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an extremely significant manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of 77 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the especially current year. Ought to by and large be 74 cents in an essentially enormous manner. Besides, Nexo can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of 81 cents. Nexo value conjecture July 2023. The Nexo figure for July 2023 expects that the Nexo may truly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of 67 cents with a genuinely least cost of around 59 cents. Which is very huge. Discussing the very normal value, Nexo can especially stretch around 65 cents for July. Pretty further appearance how Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a very normal value level of 77 cents. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to truly be 74 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Nexo cost generally is conjectured to fundamentally arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of 65 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo cost could generally arrive at, and in every way that really matters, greatest cost of 70 cents, with the kind of typical expected cost around 68 cents. Which generally is very critical. Nexo value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Nexo cost fundamentally is conjectured to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an essentially the least cost of 67 cents in a kind of huge manner. The Nexo cost could essentially arrive at, and in every practical sense, greatest cost of 73 cents, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around 70 cents. Showing how Nexo generally has a very complete market cap of $360,423,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,225,826 in an essentially significant manner. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost of Nexo truly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to basically reach at any rate worth of 69 cents in October 2023. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 75 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 72 cents all through 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure November 2023. The Nexo cost for November 2023 may basically arrive at an especially least worth of 71 cents, while the sort of greatest gauge cost explicitly is around 78 cents. Or so they especially thought. The especially normal cost for Nexo is truly anticipated to reach 74 cents in November 2023 in a huge way. Nexo value expectation December 2023. The cost for Nexo in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 74 cents and 81 cents, or so they essentially thought. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 77 cents. Nexo passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Nexo's cost by and large has shown a genuinely decent increment of 2.36% in the by and large most recent 24 hours. So on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in every practical sense be truly worth in 2023? Or so they really thought. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the Nexo was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.6%, showing how Nexo value estimate November 2023, the Nexo cost for November 2023 may for the most part arrive at an especially least worth of 71 cents, while the most extreme gauge cost fundamentally is around 78 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo truly has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be a great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, showing how in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo truly be somewhat worth in 2023, which certainly is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo truly diminished by 10.535%, dispensing with an incredible kind of typical amount of $0.076 from its sort of current worth really in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down really implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be an especially great in every practical sense purchase an open door for fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 23.55%, and the cost commonly coursed from an in every practical sense, least all things considered, normal cost of 79 cents to pretty greatest sort of normal cost of 86 cents in the beyond 90 days, so the Nexo cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 73 cents. With the kind of typical expected cost around 70 cents, showing how Nexo really has an especially all-out market cap of $360,423,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,225,826, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Nexo truly is somewhere near 13.03%, with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin basically was around 67 cents, and the exceptionally least really normal value of was around 65 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, which generally is genuinely huge. Nexo value estimate 2023 facts. What will basically be Nexo for the most part worth in 2023? The Nexo cost essentially is gauged to arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 81 cents, with least cost of 74 cents. Toward the finish of 2023. Does Nexo essentially have a future in a significant manner? As far as value, Nexo fundamentally has an extraordinary really potential to essentially arrive at new levels, showing that Nexo in a real sense has a truly complete